That way we can comfortably push more power out of this B58 and make this thing an absolute monster, because come on, like how cool would it be to go in an SUV and destroy like every 340 and M3 out there. What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys might not be able to tell, but it's been a long time since I picked up the camera and recorded a video. Although I've still been uploading, that's because I pre-recorded a whole bunch of videos in advance. I've been away on vacation, so I kind of figured I'd stop for a second, make a quick vlog, and update you guys on what's going on with the cars, with the channel. But before we get into all of that, I just want to address a few things. So as you guys may know, I recently hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel. So again, guys, thank you so much, everyone who subscribed. To thank you guys, I did a giveaway, giving away two $100 gift cards to Inline 6 Auto. So the winners to that giveaway have been announced, and I did reach out to them separately. So congrats to those who won. To everyone else, don't worry guys, we will be doing more giveaways, hopefully bigger and better ones. Maybe next time I'll have 5, 10 winners, I don't know. But yeah, anyways, now with all that out of the way, I want to jump into the more important things, and that is the cars and the channel. So before we keep on going, I just want to take a minute to thank today's video sponsor, and that is, you guessed it, Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a little while now, you'll know that I'm a huge fan of Simply Carbon Fiber. They've been huge supporters of the channel, and quite simply, they make awesome products. So this here is their slim carbon fiber wallet. This thing holds a whole bunch of credit cards, IDs right over here, and then it even has a money clip on the back. And yes guys, this is the only $100 bill I have on here. The rest are singles. It is what it is. So all the products that they make are made out of real carbon fiber. They're super high quality. I say it all the time, but this thing took some real abuse. I literally take this thing with me to the gym to work on the cars. I take it with me everywhere. So if you guys want this wallet or any of the other carbon fiber accessories that they make, like sunglasses, phone cases, even wedding rings, go check out the links down in the description below. They're having a massive sale. They've been having some sales going on for a little while now. I believe this is the very last of it. So if you guys haven't taken advantage of this sale yet, definitely go check out the links down in the description below. This has literally been their biggest sale all year, so take advantage guys. And with that said, let's get back to today's video. So I think I went into detail about the 330i and what's coming to that car, but I never really went into detail about the X3. So as you guys know, this is a 2018 X3 M40. That of course means it has the B58, and this thing is honestly a very fast SUV. I know it's not an X3M, and those things look better and they perform better as well, but this X3 M40 is definitely no slouch. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you'll know that we did a few things to it already, like mirror caps, recently a front lip, a diffuser in the back, side vents, a few things like that. Oh, also gloss black grills over here. Nothing too crazy as of now. I know not a lot of people like the X3 and not a lot of people watch those videos, but to those who own an X3 M40, I know you guys really appreciate those videos, so that's why I'm still gonna push through and make more content for you guys. Also, besides that, I just genuinely love this SUV. I think it's pretty boss that an SUV like this is faster than most cars on the road. Even if no one watches the videos, I'm probably still gonna mod it and have fun with it. So I figured if I'm gonna do that, I might as well still film the videos. But yeah, with that said guys, we have a lot more coming to this X3 M40, and again, like I said, we will be going on a drive in a little bit. So within like the last week, I ordered a whole bunch of stuff for this X3, cosmetic, performance. To start off guys, I won't give away too much, but we're definitely going to be doing a lot about the front end. You guys know me, I hate the cerium gray or whatever it's called, so we're finally going to be doing something about that. We also have some other stuff to make this car just overall look better, and then we also have some performance stuff. So as you guys may or may not know, this thing currently has a JB Plus on it, which is a piggyback tune from Burger Motorsports. Shout out to them. It's not a flash tune, but honestly guys, this thing is awesome. You just quickly plug it in and it gives you a whole bunch more power. I want to say maybe like 40 or 50 horsepower, so definitely a good amount. So this was nice for the time being, but we are going to be going crazier guys. So I will be taking off that JB Plus and going to a full flash tune pretty soon, hopefully stage 2. So what I have for the car right now is a charge pipe from Keys Motorsports, so huge shout out to them. So as you guys may know, these B58s, their charge pipes are pretty solid. If you guys don't know where the charge pipe sits, it sits like pretty much right over here, connects to the throttle body, goes down, and then connects to the turbo back there. So this thing hopefully shouldn't be too bad to change. It should be pretty similar to my 330i with the B46. But yeah guys, so these charge pipes on the B58 are pretty solid. You don't typically have issues with them, but to be extra safe and extra careful when you want to push bigger power, it's definitely always a good idea to change out the charge pipe for an aluminum one, because these ones are currently plastic. So Keys Motorsports did send me out an aluminum charge pipe to install on this X3 M40, and I will be getting to that soon guys. That way we can comfortably push more power out of this B58 and make this thing an absolute monster, because come on, like how cool would it be to go in an SUV and destroy like every 340, 440 and M3 out there. Like, that'd be pretty dope. So yeah, you guys can definitely expect that soon. And then maybe sometime in the future, I'm thinking of maybe actually lowering the X3. So I believe H&R makes some lowering springs for this car. It's not going to lower it too much, but it should definitely make it a little more stiff, a little more sporty, and it should make it handle the corners a little better. So yeah, definitely a lot of stuff coming to this X3 M40, guys. Again, I don't want to give everything away. That's just a taste of what's to come. That definitely does not mean that we're going to be stopping on the 330i, and that does not mean that we're not getting that new M car. This is just something else that we can do on this channel, guys. I really don't want to just focus on one car. I want to be working on multiple cars at once and really just have the channel focus on cars in general rather than just one car at a time. To me, I find that a little more fun. It also adds a little more diversity to the channel rather than just working on the same car. And I'll be honest with you guys, there's also another car that I'm looking at getting, but we'll leave that for another video. All right, guys, so that's enough talking. Let's just hop inside the X3. I'll throw on the GoPro. We'll go for a POV drive. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed those driving clips. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know how well the footage came out and how well I even drove. There was a lot of traffic, and of course, as always, I tried to keep it underneath the speed limit because, you know, I don't speed. But yeah, I know this was a bit of a quick video, but I kind of figured I'd just make it really quickly to update you guys on the giveaway, letting you know that it's been closed. So thank you guys again, and to kind of just go for a quick POV drive with the X3 because, I mean, who doesn't love driving an SUV like this? A car is one thing, but an SUV that goes fast, it just feels weird, but it feels awesome at the same time. But yeah, anyways, guys, with that said, we have a whole bunch of mods coming for this car, for the 3 Series. Hopefully an M car coming sometime soon. So a lot more coming to the channel. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.